Hello, this is Dharmistha. Today we will learn about working with layer, text wrapping, text using filters, applying filters and filters gallery in Photoshop. Now first one is working with text. For typing a text in a Photoshop document, we use a type tool. Here word is type tool. Means by using type tool, we can type anything in the Photoshop document. When we type a text in Photoshop, it is added to a separate layer called type layer. Means whenever you type on the Photoshop document, it will take a type layer for typing on the Photoshop document. Here given some steps how we can type a text on the Photoshop document. So first of all, to open the image, then click a type tool in the tools menu. Then after we have to select a type tool on the tools panel. Then select font, font size and color in the option bar. Means after selecting a type tool, then after set font, then font size and color in the option bar. Click the left mouse button on the image and type the text, and then after you can type a text on the image. Notice that the type is created in new layer. So whenever you type, it will take a new layer. In this way we can type on the image. Now moving text means after typing we can move our text on the Photoshop image and set as per our requirement. So you can move a text from one position to another on the image. So here given some step how we can move a text on the image. First one is select the type layer in the layer palette. Means we have to select a type layer. Then click a move tool in the tools menu. Then after select move tool, click on the text and drag to another desired position on the stage and release the mouse button. In this way we can move a text on the image in Photoshop. There are the ways for moving a text on the Photoshop. Here given about the figure, first of all select it and then move as per our requirement. Now wrapping text. Wrapping text means we can give a shape to a text as per our requirement. This process is called wrapping text. Here given figure about it. Here we first of all type happy birthday and then give a desired shape on particular selected text, that is called wrapping text. Means wrapping lets you distorted a text into variety of shape. For example, you can wrap a text into shape of an arc or wave. So here given some steps how we can perform this process. Select the type layer, then select a type tool in the tools panel. Click create a wrap text button in the option bar. Then wrap text dialog box appear. Select a style from the style drop down list. In this case we select the arc. You can also select orientation, horizontal or vertical. If required, specify a value for band, horizontal distortion and vertical distortion. Click OK to see a result of your selection. So after doing all this process, you can see the result here given a figure about it. We can apply a shape as per our requirement to the selected text layer. So that is called wrapping text. Then using filters. Filters are used to add a variety of special effect to an image, that is called filter. So filter means we can apply a different effect to an image, that is called filter. We can modify image in number of ways. By using a filters we can modify an image in different or variety of ways. For example, you can use a filter to change a look of your image by giving the appearance of mosaic tiles by adding a lightening or distortion. So here we use the mosaic tiles for applying a particular effect on the image. So here given some step how we can apply a filter to a selected image. So first one is to apply a filter on entire layer. Make sure that the layer is active. So before applying a filter, you have to select a particular layer where you want to apply a filter. You have to activate a particular layer. Then to apply a filter to a part of layer or selected that area. Choose the filter from the sub menu in the filter menu. So you have to first of all select the filter menu, then select the sub menu. Then after fill a value and select option in the dialog box, and then click OK to apply a filter. In this way we can apply a filter to an image. Here given some figure about it, how we can apply a filter. So first figure display a filter menu. Here we select mosaic tiles. So when we click a mosaic tiles, you will see a dialog box. Here given some small thumbnails of different type of filters effect. We can select any effect, filter effect as per our requirement, and then you will see a large figure type of result. Here we select mosaic tiles, so it will display this type of when you select this. So in this way we can apply a filter in an image. Now filter gallery. Filters are used to change an appearance of an image, layer or selection in a Photoshop. The filter gallery in a Photoshop let you apply filters incrementally and apply individual filters more than once. Means we can apply more than one filter to an image. We can view a thumbnails example of each filter. Does rearrange filter and change the setting of filters you have to apply it. To display the filter gallery, select filter and filter gallery. Suppose you want to open a filter gallery, so first of all you have to select filter menu, then you can select filter gallery. So when you click on this, it will display a category or number of category of thumbnails of available filter effect. So here given some steps. Follow these steps to apply filter from filter gallery. So first step is that to apply filter to an entire layer, make sure that the layer is activated and selected. As usual, you have to activate particular layer where you want to apply a filter. Then to apply a filter to a layer and selected area. Then after select filter, then filter gallery, it will open categories, number of categories of filter, and then you can select a particular from it and apply to your image. Click a filter to add it to the image. The name of the filter appearance in the applied filter list at the lower right corner of the filter gallery dialog box. Then fourth step is that enter a value or choose option for the filter you have to select it. And fifth step is that to apply a filter cumulatively, click new effect layer and choose an additional filter to apply a reset or repeat this step to add for more filters. Then to remove an applied filter, select a filter from the applied filter list and click delete. In this way we can also delete a particular filter on applied list. After applying all these filters, click OK. In this way we can apply filters from the filter gallery to an image in Photoshop. So in this way we can use the filters in a Photoshop.